युवा देश है। विश्व में हमने युवाओं की आईटी एनर्जी के माध्यम से अपना एक रुतबा खड़ा किया है और भारत इसके बाद के लिए गर्व कर सकता है। दुनिया में हम आंख में आंख मिला करके बात कर सकते हैं। और ये मेरा साफ, मैं हमेशा कहता आया हूं, आईटी प्लस आईटी इज इक्वल टू आईटी। इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी प्लस इंडियन टैलेंट इज इक्वल टू इंडिया फुटबॉल।
Hello and welcome everyone. I, Harshal Desai, on behalf of the Banking and Finance Post magazine and Elets Technomedia Private Limited, welcome you all to this BFSI Excellent Award ceremony. As you are aware, we have been able to organize this 5th edition of BFSI CTO Virtual Summit. Thanks to all our participants who have taken time out to participate in our conference, in this virtual conference. Thanks to all the private players and corporates who have supported us in this initiative. BFSI CTO Summit has been a flagship event organized by the Banking and Finance Post magazine. And even in this pandemic, we have been able to organize this CTO Summit on this wonderful virtual platform. And it all became possible with your support, with the due support from all our stakeholders who have supported us in our journey. Today, we have assembled here on this virtual platform. This is the award session. Elets has always tried to recognize efforts from different stakeholders, be it banking, education, healthcare, or governance. In banking sector, we are in this award ceremony encouraging and appreciating the efforts from different technology heads for whatever remarkable work they are doing within their organization with the use of modern technologies and tools. So I welcome you all in this virtual award ceremony. We have been joined here by Mr. Praveen Kulkarni. He is Country Manager, Cyber Resilience Micro Focus India. Welcome, Mr. Praveen Kulkarni, to the award ceremony at 5th Elets BFSI CTO Virtual Summit.
Thank you, Harshal. Firstly, congratulations to Elets for hosting this BFSI Virtual CTO Summit. I know it's not easy. It's a very trying time for all of us, but we need to continue with with the work that we do,
right?
And to be able to host this virtual summit, given all these limitations, is a real it's a commendable effort. A big congratulations to you.
Thank
and
you.
From Micro Focus, we are very happy to be associated with this summit. Thanks, Harshal.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kulkarni, for your support. We have Dr. Ravi Gupta, Chief Executive Officer and Editor-in-Chief at Elets Technomedia Private Limited, the brain behind organizing such significant and crucial knowledge-sharing platform. Dr. Ravi Gupta, I would request you for a brief welcome address in this award session today.
Sure. Thank you, Harshal. And let me welcome all the award winners at this fifth ILETS BFSI CTO Virtual Summit. And let me welcome all the award winners who are here with us. These award winners are the trendsetters, and they are the people who are innovating, and they are the people who are leading the digital revolution in the BFSI sector. We at ILETS have been uh, publishing a magazine called the Banking and Finance Post, which has been documenting the innovations which are being done by the banking sector and our industry partners. And it's a pleasure to have Mr. Praveen Kulkarni from Micro Focus with us. Thanks for joining, Praveen. And I will request Harshal now to start this award ceremony.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gupta, and thank you so much, Mr. Praveen Kulkarni. So now here we now start the BFSI Excellence Award being organized on the sideline of 5th ILETS BFSI CTO Virtual Summit. These awards are an effort from BFSI Magazine and ILETS Technomedia Private Limited to recognize the remarkable work which is being done by several technology heads in the BFSI domain. So BFSI Excellence Award, and I'll request my team to please bring the first award winner on the screen. Mr. Nitesh Ranjan, Executive Director, Union Bank of India, BFSI Excellence Award. I request Mr. Praveen Kulkarni, Country Manager, Cyber Resilience, Micro Focus India, to virtually hand over this certificate and award to Mr. Nitesh Ranjan.
Mr. Nitesh Ranjan, it gives us great pleasure to present this award to you. A big congratulations to you and your organization. We're very, very happy to recognize your achievements. Congratulations.
Can we invite Nitesh Ranjanji on the screen to receive the award, please? I think
we'll wait for Mr.
He was here, I think.
Good afternoon. I'm audible?
Yes, Mr. Nitesh Ranjan.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Kulkarni. Thank you, Mr. Gupta, and the entire ILETS family and the 5th BFSI CTO Summit participants. Thank you so much for recognizing me with this award, and at a time and during a period which every one of us are witnessing. I think this award, I would say, is not only a recognition for me, but not only also for the Union Bank of India, but the entire banking and financial sector fraternity, who have really shown and exhibited a lot of resilience over the last 12 months or more during the very, very difficult period of pandemic, and continue to serve our customers with the same zeal and dedication. I would say that definitely all of us are going through a very, very painful period, particularly in India at this point of time. But we should also be aware that this pain is very, very short-term pain. And very soon we'll be winning over this battle. The long term for our country, for our economy, for our banking and financial sector is very bright. India is poised to be at the center stage of everything in the world, including the financial sector. So all of us should continue to focus on the opportunity that the IT, that the digital is providing us in serving our customers better, in a more efficient way, a more convenient way, with a lot of trust and transparency. Once again, thank you, ILETS Media and Mr. Gupta, for giving me this award. And I also wish all the awardees for the day very, very hearty congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nitesh Ranjan, and congratulations to you from ILETS and BFSI magazine. I request my team now to bring next award winner on the screen. We are pleased to honor Mr. Neeraj Kumar, Deputy Chief Information Security Officer at SBI Card, with BFSI Excellence Award for his exemplary contribution to the BFSI sector during the COVID-19 outbreak in the form of technology-based innovation. I request Mr. Praveen Kulkarni again to hand over this virtual certificate and award to Mr. Neeraj Kumar. And I request Mr. Neeraj Kumar to please come on the screen.
Mr. Neeraj Kumar, we're very happy to present this award to you. A hearty congratulations to you and your organization on this award. To be able to be path-breaking during these times is truly commendable. Congratulations.
May we please have Mr. Neeraj Kumar on the screen? If not, I'll request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. Mr. Suryanarayan K, Chief Information Security Officer, Central Bank of India, with BFSI Excellence Award. Thank you so much, Mr. Suryanarayan K, and congratulations to you. We request Mr. Praveen Kulkarni to hand over the virtual certificate and award to you. I request my team to please bring Mr. Suryanarayan K on the screen.
Mr. Suryanarayan, we're very happy to present this award to you. Congratulations to you and your organization on this recognition. Congratulations again.
I request Mr. Suryanarayan K to, we are not able to hear you before.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yes.
For this recognize me and my organization for this award. And thank you very much for all the organizers. And it is a very precious moment for me to get this award. And I am very happy to receive this award. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Suryanarayan K. Congratulations to you. I request my team to please bring next award winner on the screen. We are pleased to honor Mr. Deepak Sarda, General Manager, IT at Indian Bank, with BFSI Excellence Award at the 5th edition of CTO Summit, which is being organized virtually. I request Mr. Praveen Kulkarni to hand over the virtual certificate and award to Mr. Deepak Sarda.
Mr. Deepak Sarda, we're very happy to present this award to you. A big congratulations to you and your organization. We're very happy to recognize your achievements. Congrats.
May I request my team to please bring Mr. Deepak Sarda on the screen, if he's there.
He's here on the screen. Maybe request Deepak ji to please speak. Yeah.
First of all, I would like to thank ELETS India, who has organized this BFSI CTO Summit along with Micro Focus and other partners in such a challenging time, and a lot of panelists who have given their ideas. Everybody is doing some or the other way so that work should continue, and we could able to know more about what others are doing so that it can be further implemented. So this was a very nice summit, and I would like to thank once again ELETS Media and other sponsors along. And this is recognition to my team and my organization who have completed amalgamation, because along with running business, we were doing amalgamation also. Successfully, it has been completed. So, and my partners who have supplied and vendors have stood by us during this challenging time. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Deepak Sarda. Rightly said, everyone in the BFSI domain right now is trying to contribute in their own way. And congratulations to you for this recognition. I request my team to please bring next award winner on the screen. We are pleased to honor Mr. Vijay Kumar, CEO and Principal Officer, Go Digit Insurance, with BFSI Excellence Award. Congratulations to you, Mr. Vijay Kumar. I request Mr. Praveen Kulkarni to hand over this virtual certificate and award to you.
Mr. Vijay Kumar, big congratulations. We're very happy to present this award to you. This is clearly a recognition of the work, the path-breaking work that you and your organizations have done. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you, ELIT, for organizing this this event, I think, is a great event, and where inter-industry, I think, views are shared, and the experiences are shared, which is, I think, great effort actually to bring all these sectors together, so that we have best of innovations and development in the country. And I'll also like to thank Praveen, Harshal, and Dr. Gupta for considering our company fit for this award. Technology is obviously backbone, and we right from the day one have been very gung-ho about investing in technology and getting best of it. And this difficult time last year in January, actually we developed one specific product which is covering only COVID, and we have already covered almost 22 lakhs lives so far. I think without technology and our colleagues in the IT side, I think it would not have been possible for us to deliver this and help the real needy citizens of this country. Thank you so much once again.
Rightly said, Mr. Vijay Kumar. Thank you and congratulations to you. I request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. We are pleased to honor Mr. Shibu PJ, Chief Information Security Officer, Indian Bank, with BFSI Excellence Award. And I once again request Mr. Praveen Kulkarni to do the honors.
Mr. Shibu, we are very happy to recognize you and your organization's achievements. Congratulations to you.
I request my team to please bring Mr. Shibu on the screen. Mr. Shibu PS is here. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. First of all, I would like to thank Alerts Media for inviting me in this CTO Summit. And I was fortunate enough to listen to the industry experts on the subject, what are the subject we brought to the table, which was AI and ML. And I was also able to share my thoughts on the subject as far as cybersecurity in the area of cybersecurity. And once again, I thank Alerts Media and its coordinators for giving me this opportunity. Yeah, thanks for.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Shibu PS, and thank you so much for supporting and participating in the 5th ELETS BFSI Virtual Summit. Thank you so much. I request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. Mr. Manoj Srivastava, Chief Information Security Officer, Future Generali Insurance Company Limited, and we are honored to present this BFSI Excellence Award to you. Mr. Praveen Kulkarni, I request you to please do the honor. Mr. Manoj Srivastava is on the screen.
Mr. Manoj, we're very happy to present this award to you. Congratulations to you and your organization.
Yeah, thank you very much, Praveen. I would like to congratulate and thanks to ELETS Media and Banking and Finance, the forum and the great event BFSI CTO Virtual Summit. Thank you everybody, and congratulations to other award winners also.
Thank you, Mr. Manoj Srivastava. Thank you so much and congratulations to you.
Thank you.
I request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. We are pleased to honor Mr. Sunil Soni, Chief Information Officer, Punjab National Bank, with BFSI Excellence Award. I once again request Mr. Praveen Kulkarni to do the honor.
Mr. Sunil Soni, we're very happy to present this award to you. Congratulations to you and your organization. We're very happy to recognize your achievements.
Thank you very much, Mr. Praveen. And I would also like to thank you, Dr. Gupta and the ELETS family, who has taken out time during this pandemic period and has also recognized the efforts put in by the bank in general and me in particular, and hope and pray that this pandemic moves out or goes away faster, and the fraternity is able to gel together again the way we used to. Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations to you, Mr. Sunil Soni. I request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. Mr. Puneet Kaur Kohli, Chief Technology Officer and Chief Information Officer, Universal Sompo General Insurance Company. We are pleased to honor you with this BFSI Excellence Award. And I once again request the Country Manager Cyber Resilience at Micro Focus India, Mr. Praveen Kulkarni, to do the honor.
Congratulations, Puneet Kaur Kohli, to you and your organization on this award. We're very happy to present this to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the jury, and thank you, Elites and BFSI Banking Frontiers. It's been my 4th year that I've been regularly being as a part of the core summits, whether it was in physical and now all virtually during this pandemic times. A big congratulations to the entire team of putting all the very nice agenda on the topics that were covered. And it's really an eye-opener for many of the CTOs who are working in BFSI industry. And, it's an equal give and take, it's a lot of information that you gather and then you take home. And that becomes as a part of your innovation strategy, that how during these pandemic times, we have to evolve together as a country. And I first of all, really appreciate the efforts and wholeheartedly give my gratitude for honoring me at this podium. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Puneet Kaur Kohli, for acknowledging our efforts. And I must say on this platform that it's the guidance from Dr. Ravi Gupta and his encouragement that keeps the entire team at BFSI Vertical to move ahead with this vision to create knowledge sharing platform for the betterment of the entire BFSI domain. I now thank Mr. Praveen Kulkarni, Country Manager, Cyber Resilience, Micro Focus India. They have supported us big time in organizing and conceptualization of this event. Thank you so much, Mr. Praveen Kulkarni ji, for your support and for presenting these awards to some of our award winners.
Thanks, Harshal, and thanks, Dr. Ravi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I request my team now to please bring the next award winner on the screen. Mr. Raman Agrawal, Director, Finance Industry Development Council with BFSI Excellence Award. I request Dr. Ravi Gupta to present BFSI Excellence Award to Mr. Raman Agrawal.
Ramanji, it's an honor and a pleasure to present you this BFSI CTO Virtual Summit Awards. And thanks for joining us. Ramanji, over to you.
Thank you, Raviji, and thank you, Mr. Harshal. As I said in my address also, I think kudos to the entire team at Ilex Technomedia. You guys are doing a fantastic job to hold this summit in such trying times. Is not only important for the people who are actually suffering in terms of businesses, but also encouraging people by holding this award function virtually. I think it gives a big boost, and the need of the hour. Let's all work together, no finger pointing. Let's all work together and work to fight this pandemic and ensure that we as a country, we as an economy come out strong and bold out of this, which I am very confident we shall. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Mr. Raman Agrawal, for these kind words. Thank you and congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. Mr. Prashant Thakkar, Chief Technology Officer and Head Strategy, LIC Mutual Fund with BFSI Excellence Award. Thank you so much, Mr. Prashant Thakkar, for supporting the event, and congratulations to you. I request Dr. Ravi Gupta to hand over the virtual certificate and award to you.
Mr. Prashant ji, it's an honor for us at Ilex and Banking and Finance Post to confer you the BFSI Excellence Awards. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi. Thank you very much. And it's indeed a great privilege for me to receive this honor. I think I would like to thank Ilex, and all the members and organization of this event. And this recognition is not only to me, but to all my fellow colleagues at LIC Mutual Fund, and also to the entire IT fraternity across the BFSI segments and other industries as well, for showing the resilience and contributing during these difficult times. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Mr. Prashant.
Thank you.
For supporting the BFSI CTO Summit. And it was, of course, the pleasure listening to you in one of the panel discussion as well. Thank you and congratulations. I request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. Mr. Rahul Chopra, Chief Digital Officer, Clicks Capital. We are glad to present BFSI Excellence Award to you, and I request Dr. Ravi Gupta to do the honors.
It's a pleasure to present this BFSI Excellence Awards to Mr. Rahul Chopra, who is the Chief Digital Officer of Clicks Capital. Rahulji.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, welcome.
Okay, good. Thank you so much, Elite, for this facilitation and conducting such a super summit, and a lot of knowledge being shared, and I also personally got benefited out of it. And extremely thankful for recognizing the effort and giving us this award. I'm extremely grateful to the organizer. And congratulations to other winners as well. In this pandemic time, having such connects, exchanging ideas, information, keeps everyone motivated and at least put everyone back on course. So which is really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rahulji.
Thank you, Rahulji. Congratulations.
Congratulations to you. I request my team to please bring next award winner on the screen. Mr. Nikhil Bandi, Chief Information Officer and Head Business Operation, Vistar Financial Services Private Limited. We are glad to present BFSI Excellence Award to you at 5th ELETS BFSI CTO Virtual Summit. And I request Dr. Ravi Gupta to hand over this virtual certificate and award.
It's a pleasure to present the ELETS and BFSI post BFSI Excellence Awards to Nikhil Bandi. Welcome, Nikhilji, on the screen. Thanks for joining.
Thank you very much, ELETS, Mr. Ravi Gupta, Banking and Finance Post. I think one of the testimony and example of resilience and business continuity is this award not getting impacted by this pandemic and everything going smooth. You have used technology and demonstrated the use of technology for business continuity, integrating and collaboration of thought leaders across the industry. I think I have always enjoyed the physical summits, and so is the virtual summit. The way it is managed so smoothly, and the panels, the discussion, the quality of discussion on panels have been phenomenal in this summit as well. Thank you very much. I would like to dedicate this award, Excellence Award, to all the employees of Vistar Finance who have contributed towards the business continuity as well as the technology innovation which is implemented in the company. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you, Mr. Bandi, and congratulations to you. I request my team to bring the next award winner on the screen. We are pleased to honor Mr. Amit Saxena, Global Deputy Chief Technology Officer, State Bank of India, with BFSI Excellence Award. Congratulations to you. I request Dr. Gupta to present this virtual award to Mr. Amit Saxena.
It's a pleasure to present the ELETS and BFSI post BFSI Excellence Awards to Mr. Amit Saxena, who is a Global Deputy Chief Officer of State Bank of India. Welcome, Amitji, on the screen.
Yeah, thank you very much for recognizing the efforts what we have put in through. And I have been associated with ELETS now for 4 years plus itself, and you have been doing a great job. And this is the first award ceremony for this year. We have not seen, you have keep the guns going on, and you have organized a very well informed session this time onto the platform itself. Congratulations to all your efforts, and thanks for recognizing the efforts what the State Bank have been doing to provide the services to its customer. And I would take this effort on the behalf of my team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Amitji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Amit Saxena, for your support, for your kind words, and congratulations to you. I request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. Mr. Gururaj Rao, Chief Information Officer, Mahindra Finance, and we are glad to present BFSI Excellence Award to you, and I request Dr. Ravi Gupta to do the honor.
It's a pleasure and honor to present the ALETS and BFSI Post BFSI Excellence Awards to Shri Gururaj Rao, who is the Chief Information Officer of Mahindra Finance. Welcome, Gururaj on the screen.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you, Dr. Gupta and the entire ELETS team, first of all, for organizing this excellent event and for providing us with this honor. It is a great encouragement to the entire IT fraternity for having put up a lot of struggles during this pandemic period. So I accept it humbly on behalf of my entire organization and especially the IT team and the various service providers that we have. Thank you very much. And I also congratulate other winners of this award. I also wish and pray that the entire humanity comes out of this pandemic very quickly and with least damages. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations to you, Mr. Rao. I request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. Mr. Kumaran Sampath, Director and CEO, Alti Finance, and we are glad to present BFSI Excellence Award to you. I request Dr. Gupta to virtually hand over this award and certificate to you.
Namaskar. On behalf of ALETS and Banking and Finance Post, it's a pleasure to confer the BFSI Excellence Awards with Mr. Kumaran Sampath, who is the Director and CEO of Alti Finance. Kumaranji, over to you.
Hello.
Yes, we are able
to
hear you.
Okay. Yeah. Firstly, thank Ravi Gupta and the entire ELETS team for recognizing me for this award. It's been a great honor to be part of the elite group. And the last 2 days, the session has been absolutely terrific. Too many learnings. And the event is only what it taught us, how do we face the further challenges ahead. And great event at the most, testing times. And once again, I'm sure the entire team has put in a lot of efforts to bring in this reward function to such a level. It absolutely looks awesome. And once again, thank the elite team for giving me the kind of encouragement and support. I'm sure with this award, we will try and do a much better job and excel further. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kumaranji, for joining us, and congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Sampath. I request my team member to please bring the next award winner on the screen. We are pleased to honor Mr. Anand Agarwal, Chief Information Officer and Chief Information Security Officer, Manavi Development and Finance with BFSI Excellence Award. I request Dr. Gupta to hand over the virtual certificate and award to Mr. Agarwal.
Sure. So before I invite the next award winner on the screen, let me just thank all our team at ALETS and all our colleagues who have been working very, very hard in these trying times. I think all of us are affected by these troubled situations of COVID. But in spite of it, our team has been able to pull off this amazing show. So I wish to just thank them and acknowledge them. And I also wish to put on record of thanks to all our sponsors and speakers who have actually joined in spite of the various challenging situations each of us is facing at our surroundings. So it's an honor and a pleasure to confer the BFSI Excellence Awards on behalf of ALETS and BFSI Post to Mr. Anand Agrawal, who is the Chief Information Officer and Chief Information Security Officer, Manaviya Development and Finance. Over to you, Anandji, and welcome on the screen.
Thank you, Alex, for this award. I'm really honored to receive this award from one of the leading media house in the BFSI sector. And I think it is really a moral booster for all the technology people in these pandemic times. So I also want to congratulate ELETS for putting up such a good event in these pandemic times and recognizing the efforts of the IT leaders. So in the end, I would just say everybody stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Anandji.
Thank you and congratulations to you, Mr. Agrawal. I request my team to please bring next award winner on the screen. Mr. Kunal Katpal, Chief Risk Officer, Hinduja Leyland Finance Limited. I request Dr. Gupta to present this virtual award to Mr. Kunal Katpal.
It's a pleasure to invite Kunal Katpal, who is the Chief Risk Officer, Hinduja Leyland Finance Limited. We wish to confer the BFSI Excellence Awards on behalf of ELETS and Banking and Finance Post upon him. So Kunalji, welcome on the screen and over to you.
Thank you so much, ELETS team. Thank you, Dr. Ravi Gupta. It's been a really thankful honor on behalf of my entire company. I would like to say that it's the efforts of the entire BFSI industry that we all have been showing during these tough times. How we are continuing the resilience over to manage this entire tough situation which is come in front of us. And I would also like to highlight that amongst this panelist of technical people, it's happy to see that a risk officer is also being conferred as an awardee. And I would like to also special mention some of the ELETS team member, especially Asif, the way over the last 3 years when I've been a part of ELETS team, how each time I've been questioning him that why you want me as a risk officer to be a part of the technical discussions which are happening, and he gives me those answers which are tough to deny, and and happy to be part of those conferences and learning which I've gained through those conferences from my esteemed panelists and other participants. Also, finally, I would like to congratulate the other award winners and thank you so much.
Thank you, Kunalji, and I wish to just answer the question which you have been asking Asif, that in these times, in I think the last 1 year, the meaning of the Chief Risk Officer has actually evolved to everyone. I think the amount of risk which everyone is facing, and as an organization, any BFSI institution faces, I think the role of the Chief Risk Officer or the CRO has actually evolved at a multiple level. So it's important to have a CRO join our events, which is mostly about IT. But unless we understand all the external and internal risks which the organization is facing, we can't develop an IT strategy. So that is the reason we have invited you here, and it's an honor that you have joined us. And thank you and congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ravi Gupta. And then I think that is why I would like to dedicate this award especially to my team at Hinduja Leyland Finance, who continuously gets challenged through the risk team and through me. But at the end of the day, they do things which are good for the industry as well.
Thank you, and congratulations to you, Mr. Kunal Katpal. I request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. Mr. Bala Chandil P, Chief Digital Officer at Ambit Finvest. We are glad to present BFSI Excellence Award to you. I request Dr. Ravi Gupta to please present this virtual certificate and award to Mr. Bala Chandil P.
Sure. Let me invite Mr. Bala Chandil P, who is the Chief Digital Officer of Ambit Finvest. And we wish to confer the ALETS and BFSI post BFSI Excellence Awards upon him. So can we have Mr. Bala on the screen, please?
Thank you, Mr. Gupta. Pleasure and honor to receive this award. And I would like to thank and appreciate all the people behind this ELITS Banking and Finance BFSI Virtual Summit, especially during these testing times. An event like this and a recognition like this brings a lot of cheer and motivation to not only the people who are present in the award ceremony, but also to the entire BFSI fraternity. And I would like to congratulate and to all the other winners as well. And thanks a lot. And I pray for the entire human fraternity so that we overcome this pandemic as early as possible. Hopefully next meet, we can do a face-to-face in-person meet rather than virtual. Thanks a lot.
Sure. I think we all are just thinking of having a face-to-face event as early as possible. So let's hope we are able to do that very, very soon. Thank you, Mr. Bala.
Thank you, Mr. Bala. I request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. We are pleased to honor Mr. Vishal Gulati, Chief Information Security Officer at Agriculture Insurance Corporation with BFSI Excellent Award for his exemplary contribution to the BFSI sector during the COVID-19 outbreak in the form of technological-based innovation. And I request Dr. Ravi Gupta, CEO at ELITS Technomedia Private Limited, to hand over this virtual award and certificate to Mr. Vishal Gulati.
I congratulate Vishal Gulati for joining us here. And
yes, thank you, Raviji, thank you, Arshal, for giving the honor. Yeah, we are delighted to, on behalf of AIC, I thank you all for this honor given to me.
Sure. Thank you, Vishalji, and heartiest congratulations on behalf of ELITS and BFSI post. Thank you.
Thank you. I request my team to please bring the next certificate on the screen. This is Trendsetter CTO Award 2021. And the first award is presented to Mr. Shankar Narayan R, Senior General Manager IT for Intranet under the category Excellence in Secured Employee Engagement. We have Mr. Devang Badiani here with us. I request Mr. Badiani to please come on the screen. And I request Dr. Ravi Gupta to present and hand over this virtual award to HDFC.
It's a pleasure and honor to present this Trendsetter CTO Awards 2021 to Mr. Shankar Narayan R, who is the Senior General Manager IT. Welcome.
Hello, hi. Yeah, I'm Shankar. I think my colleague Devang also is there. Devang, you can also come on screen. Hello, hello, Arshal and Dr. Ravi. Good evening, all of you. Yeah. Actually, thanks for this honor. It's my pleasure to accept this honor on behalf of my team and HDFC. I thank my team and especially the Devang and team. They have done this work and actually applied for the nomination. We also thank Liferay team for the excellent support provided for us to implement this in our organizations. And of course, congratulations to your entire team for organizing such a beautiful event in such a difficult time. Okay, thanks to all of you. Let's hope that all of us come out of this pandemic at the earliest. So
yes,
thank you all of you. Thank you all of you once again. Take care. Stay safe.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for accepting this award. I request my team to please bring the next award winner on the screen. Mr. Shankar Narayanan Raghavan, Chief Technology Officer and Data Officer for Web 2.0 Multilingual Web Shop and Web Portal. I request sir to please come on the screen, and I request Dr. Ravi Gupta to hand over this award to Mr. Shankar Narayanan Raghavan.
I congratulate Mr. Raghavan for this award for Web 2.0 multilingual web shop and web portals. And may I request him to speak in brief about this project.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi Gupta and Harshal and ULET's Media and Banking and Finance magazine. I think really wonderful virtual summit which you have organized and also for the award. I take a lot of pride in receiving this recognition from you all. Thank you so much. I also want to dedicate this to my team, my partners, Liferay team, for making this possible. I think this is one thing. Multilingual web shop is something like sort of a trendsetter in what we have done. I think then it's the first step towards what are all the other things what we are going to do in the coming days. And once again, thank you all. And I also want to thank the entire support team behind this for making this possible. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Raghavan. And with this, we will formally now close the award ceremony here. I request Dr. Ravi Gupta for final words. Thank you, notes.
Sure. Let me thank all our team at ILETS who have created and executed this event in a very, very challenging situation, which is happening around all of us in India. And let me thank all the award winners for participating in this award ceremony in a very, very enthusiastic manner. And I also wish to thank all the speakers and delegates of the 5th BFSI CTO Summit and Awards. And I think this has been an amazing event. And I wish to thank all our sponsors for joining us. Let me thank our sponsors, our gold partner, Lenovo, our cyber resilience partner, Micro Focus, our SaaS technology partner, BMC, our cyber security partner, F5, our maps and location partner, MapMyIndia, and our CRM partner, Lead Squad. We will close this session here, and I thank you and say namaste to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.